Today, I will teach you how to make a new cool paper airplane, the Concorde. And of course, this plane can fly too. This paper airplane is designed by me for many years ago. However, I have not had a chance to publish the tutorial, and today I will teach you how to make the paper airplane. To make the Concorde, you need a sheet of printing paper. You can use either use letter size or an A4 paper. Now let's start. First step, I fold the paper in half. Then I start from the top edge. I fold it to the other side. Now, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. And next, flip the paper over, match this corner to this point. And if you see all creases, all crossed at the same point, that means you folded the paper correctly. Now I will turn the paper this way, and I will match this crease to the center crease. The easiest way is to pull both sides at the same time, and then push the top part of the paper down. This is what you should have for now. Next, you can fold one side of the paper, like the top layer, to a side. And then start from the edge, fold it to the center crease. Next, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. And then start from the tip here, fold straight to this edge. We are not going to make a crease for the whole part here. We just make a small crease for one side and then the other side. And that is good enough for us. And now I fold this layer to a side. You can see we have a crease here already. We will use this crease as a reference to make the wing of the Concorde. I will turn the paper this way again, and start from this point. I will fold straight to this corner. Next step, I will start from this edge, fold it toward the center crease until I match with this side of the paper. So this is what we should have. You can see that this is off a little bit because I want this side of the paper is a little bit larger. And if you do not care about the shape of the paper airplane, you can just match this edge to the edge below here. Now we are going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So I will unfold this part of the paper and fold the paper in half so I can reference it easier. Now you can see that these both edges are lined up, and then put the paper down. Now match the top edge to the edge below. And then remember that previous fold, we fold this side of the paper toward the center crease. We will repeat the same thing for the left wing. make sure that all edges are lined up. We can fold this layer to meet with the part here, and then I fold the paper in half and I flip it over. On the following step, I will strengthen the head of the paper airplane by folding this edge to the center crease. Also for this side. Now let's stabilize the head of the plane. I will insert this flap into the pocket. Also for this side. Now we just stabilize the head of the plane. You can see the wings, the head. And now I am going to create the head of the Concorde. Remember the crease we folded in the past. We have it here. I will push the body of the plane down. Use your finger, push it, and the other finger to fold the wings up. We fold both sides of the paper down to create the body of the Concorde. Next step, I will start from this tip and point straight to the corner. I'll make a mark here. I'm going to create the wings. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Flip the paper over. On the following step, I am going to create the stabilizer of the plane by folding this bottom part of the plane up. You can see how I do that. Push it up and then hold the paper, push it up, hold the paper and push it. We do not need to fold it too high. Just high enough, about an inch. It should be about an inch from the body to the top. And then you can fold the bottom of the plane. To make sure that the plane will fly well, you need to create a small elevators at the end. I can cheat a little bit now. I can fold the paper in half. And then you see this part, I will fold it straight like this, and I will fold the same thing for the other side. Hold the wings, fold it. And now I can fold the elevator back for both sides. Make sure that the wings are flat. And here you go. This is the Concorde. You can make the head drop down to make the planes look more like the real plane, like this. You can see how I fixed the head. It's look more like the Concorde now, but for a flying version you need to strengthen the head. So the differences is, if the head is dropped out, the planes look nice but doesn't fly well. But if you want to make the plane fly well, you need to strengthen the head. And here you go, this is the Concorde. I hope you guys enjoy making the paper airplane. If the plane fly well for you, why not share it with your friends? Give the video a thumb up. Finally, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. Hold the plane and throw it straight. Do not throw it too hard. And this is very important that the center stabilizers are straight up. It should make a 90 degrees to the wings. If the stabilizers are bent to the right or left, the plane will not fly well. Check it out now.